Hi everyone, I'm rpm-gpg. I'm a solution architect at Red Hat Brazil in São Paulo. I started working at Red Hat 11 years ago at the beginning as a consultant, and I worked as a specialist engineer as well for almost 4 years. And then from the last 6 years, I have worked as a platform and cloud architect. Below in this slide, you can see my contacts in the video description as well. Let's start. Today we're gonna do a demo about the new tool that Red Hat released last week that we call convert2rhel. Before we start, let's take a look in the access.redhat.com. Here you can find related information about convert2rhel process. I mean stuff like requirements, logs, troubleshooting, and rollback as well. It's very important, and we strongly recommend you ask for Red Hat support during the process, just in case. So this tool is available for CentOS and Oracle in both versions 6 and 7. So it's time to start. So let's take a look on that. So first thing, let's take a look on CentOS version. I already installed a virtual machine and uses CentOS 7.7 and with the kernel 3.10. We can take a look at using uname and see that I used the profile of the infrastructure service. So we have just a couple of RPMs like 503. So, and then the next thing that you're supposed to do is enable the RHEL repo. And after that, you just move forward and install the tool. Yum install convert2rhel, yum install subscription manager, and then go for it. You need to install the subscription manager RHSM certificates. It's very important before to register using subscription manager, validate that you have all the certificates inside of the guest. So because if you don't have that, probably you got some error or problems. Be sure you have the subscription manager certificate file stored in the directory etc pki /product-default /69.pen. This comes from RHEL, and without this, probably the repo enablement will fail. Moving forward, it's time to play in CentOS like a RHEL, using subscription manager register, subscription manager attach, -- pool. Here you just put your pool ID available in your Red Hat account, and then specify the release version of RHEL. In this case, we are playing CentOS 7, so subscription manager release -- set equals 7 serve. And don't forget, enable only the repo that will be used. In our case here, our repo that we must be enabled here, it's RHEL -7 - server -rpms. Before we execute convert2rhel, let's take a look in all repos available now. Now it's time to execute convert2rhel and follow the logs during the whole process. First thing, it's the license agreement will show up asking you to type yes or not to continue the execution. And just a point here, I installed the Apache with PHP here just to show some basic information about the guest. So it would be easy to find out basic information that we are playing here. It's time to have some patience here and just wait for the tool finish the whole transition between CentOS to RHEL. Here in this process, the tool will be bring us a lot of packages. They will replace some packages, update some stuff. So it's time to wait until the end and take a look in the whole logs during the process. All right, if you want, you could take a look directly in the log file open a new terminal session and go through the /var/log/convert2rhel. There's a file convert2rhel.log, and you can take a look on that. As I mentioned before, it's time to wait. Here's as I tell you guys, it's just a process of downloaded, update packages, and clean up some stuff and replace some packages. All right. We are almost finished the process, so it's very important to take a look if everything is happening as we expect. All right, so it's very important to take a look on the error code in the end of execution of this script. So here we got 0 errors, so everything is fine. So now when we reboot the machine, we see the new kernel version, and at the bottom we see the RHEL 7.7. So everything happened as we expected. And then if we open the browser and type the same IP address, we see here the new information about the RHEL 7.7 environment. So the process was finished. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy and realize some migrations too as well between CentOS no supported environment to enterprise environment. It's very important to mention here there is the same procedure is available from CentOS or Oracle to RHEL enterprise environment. Thanks for watching.